Hello everyone and very warm good morning to all of you. Today I am going to teach you class 11th chemistry chapter number 2nd. The chapter is structure of atoms and the today topic is Above principle. So first of all, your first point, above is a German word which means build up. Second point, according to above principle, orbital filled in increasing order of energy means those orbital which have lower energy will be filled first. After that, filling start in increasing order of energy. So means above is a German word. Above is a German word. German word which means build up. Build up means formation of anything. Build up, making of anything is called above. So above is not a scientist. Above is a German word which means build up. Second point, according to this principle, orbital filled in increasing order of energy. Increasing order of energy. That is lowest energy orbital will be filled first and higher energy orbital will be filled in last. Will be filled in last or only last. Is it clear? So above also means above is a German word which means build up. And the second point, according to above principle, orbital filled in increasing order of energy, that is lowest energy orbital will be filled first and the higher energy orbital filled in last. Is it clear? Now see how the energy order will set in above principle. So we draw here the above principle means the orbital of energy represent here. So numbering start from 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, next 6s and last 7s. Is it clear? Now P start from 2p, 3p, 4p, 5p and 6p. One left from the first and last. So D start from 3d, 4d and 5d. F orbital start only from 4. So we represent here 4f. Is it clear? Now see arrow. In last 7s, 6p, 5d and 4f. Is it clear? Arrow. Now see the matchup 1s to 2s, 2s to 2p, 3s to 3p, 4s to 3d, 5s to 4d and in last 6s with 4f. So this is the increasing order of energy. Now see here, increasing order means it is the lowest energy orbital and we move in this diagram, then energy always increases. So increasing order of energy is increasing order of energy according to above principle is first electron filled in 1s, then 2s, after that 2p, then 3s, after 3s means 3p means 4s, and 3d, after that 3d, 3s, 4s, 3d means 4p next, 5s and 4p, then 5p, 6s, next is 5p, 4d, 4f, 5d, 6p, or in last 7s. Is it clear? So this is the increasing order of energy. Always remember that 13 element means those elements which having the atomic number 13. So you should always remember electronic configuration up to 13 elements means 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2 and 3d10. This is the important electronic configuration for you. So always remember this electronic configuration. This electronic configuration is applicable up to 30 elements means atomic number 13. Is it clear? So atomic number 13 we should be used this electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2 and last 3d10. The total electrons are 30. 2, 4, 6, 10, 12, 18, 20 or 10, 30. Is it clear? Oh, thank you so much.